Stop scrolling, these repos are wild. Counting down today's top 5 GitHub trending projects, and number 1 will change how you build. At number 5, text-to-cad gives AI agents the power to generate and export CAD models from natural language. It lets agents create, inspect, slice, and hand off CAD geometry and robot descriptions straight from project files. Install the skills library, then give your AI agent focused workflows for CAD, fabrication, and simulation tasks. Coming in at 4, OpenShip is a self-hosted deployment platform with built-in CI/CD for pushing containers from anywhere. It manages infrastructure, ships containers, and lets you deploy projects with a single command from your terminal. Install globally via npm or curl, run OpenShip up to start the service, then init and deploy your project. At number 3, AstrBot is an AI agent framework that plugs into multiple chat platforms, LLMs, and plugins. It unifies messaging apps, language models, and custom skills into one assistant you can extend and deploy anywhere. Install via pip, configure your platforms and LLMs, then run the bot to start automating chats and tasks. Runner up, Code Review Graph builds a persistent code intelligence map so AI tools only read what matters. It cuts context for code reviews and large repos, letting AI assistants focus on relevant files with benchmarked reductions. Install via pip, run the graph builder on your repo, then connect your AI coding tool via MCP. Taking the top spot, worldmonitor is a real-time global intelligence dashboard powered by AI news aggregation. It tracks infrastructure, geopolitics, and news in one situational awareness interface with dedicated views for tech, finance, and commodities. Visit the web app, choose a variant, or self-host the TypeScript dashboard for your own intelligence center. That's today's top 5, from CAD agents to global intel. Subscribe for daily GitHub trending deep dives.